Greetings. On today's video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Venom Linux and some of the applications pre-installed. Venom Linux is a source-based Linux, independently developed, rolling release distribution originating from Malaysia that targets experienced users. This distro is inspired by CRUX because of its simplicity and its KISS philosophy. Venom Linux uses simple Tart compressed packages, a ports system, custom BSD style init and a collection of small packages which are trimmed down by removing unnecessary things. Venom Linux uses a custom package manager, which is fully written in POSIX shell script, for installing, upgrading and removing packages. The distribution offers a simple graphical desktop built around the Openbox window manager and a text mode system installer. Venom Linux features package build script in the style of BSD's ports, BSD style init, easy to write ports, multi-lib support, slim packages, trimmed by removing anything unnecessary. Venom Linux uses SysV as its init software. For package management, Venom Linux uses scratchpkg. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the scratchpkg package manager. Venom Linux includes the version 5.4.99 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Venom Linux are Firefox, LeafPad and Genie. Please feel free to tell what you think of the latest release of Venom Linux on the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.